Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. First of all, as you can see, it's not a touch screen. So this is the control here, rotary control, and 2 is a star and a back button. If you click the star, it brings up all your options, all the options you can have. If I just go back there, across the top, Navi, radio, media. So I click the switch forward till I get something to highlight on the top line of the menu, turn it across to Navi, click the rotary selector, then we need to go to destination entry. You've got view map, traffic, start voice input, settings, mute, destination entry, that's what we want. So we click the center to select that, address, points of interest, go home, my route, recently, favorites, service, coordinates. So again, we want address, click on address, and I want postcode. So you've got select town or postcode in Great Britain. That's the first thing you need to make sure you're in the right country. Then you can enter town or turn it down to enter postcode, click on enter postcode. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, and that is P. So we turn the rotary selector across till we get to P, and then R. We now need numbers. It's automatically defaulted to numbers, so that's 5, 4. Press the center to select. It's gone back to letters. E, A, PR5, 4EA, that's the one. We have to click again to tell it that even though we've just typed that in, that's the one we want. It's selecting address, PR5, 4EA, Preston, Lancashire, Great Britain. Route preferences, faster time, avoidance unpaved, go, browse map or save. We want, there you go, we can change it from go, but it's on go, click select. I did have the
Please drive to highlighted route.
So that's it. I did have the audio turned down, but that's it. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. So first of all, we're going to Bluetooth. We'll make sure Bluetooth is on. That was the green bit at the top, and then down to the bottom here. Over to the system. You've got, if you want to go back to the menu, it's on nav at the moment. If you want to go back to the menu, you click star here. Then you've got navigation, radio, media, telephone. So telephone we want, click the center of the rotary control to select telephone. You've got connect device. Now that's already on connect device, but if it's not, all you have to do is just, if it's at the top there, pull down towards you. If it's right at the top, you have to pull twice because it goes onto the numbers in the center, and select connect device. Connect device. Connect new device is highlighted, so we click again. Connect via vehicle. Click again. It's already picked up Mercedes Benz Bluetooth on the telephone, and now it's picked up my phone. So now we turn the rotary control till it highlights the phone you want to connect. Say for instance there's 2 of you in the car. Connect as new main phone. Gosh, it's Bluetooth pairing request 674148 pair, and it matches that one. Allow contacts and favorites to sync. Allow, and let's just see Mercedes Benz Bluetooth connected. That's it connected there. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream music from your mobile through the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. So from any screen, you go to your music. That's the record that I'm choosing to play. If you look at the bottom there, you've got a silver triangle and 3 silver circles. Click on there. It's only showing iPhone at the moment. It's not picking the Mercedes Benz system up. So sometimes it doesn't. And on this occasion, I'm glad it doesn't, because now I can show you how you do it. So if we go If we click on the menu, we go to media, click on media, there you go, Mercedes Benz Bluetooth. So it's now showing a tick. I'm going to turn it down, go back to the record, turn that down, and then when I turn this up again, that's enough. You'll know what that is straight away. That's how you play music. Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 Mercedes Benz A Class. So from any screen, it's just on music at the moment, but it could also be on Navi there. You can click, you've got radio, media, telephone. If I click telephone, now it's not very intuitive when it comes to deleting a mobile. So we click telephone, that brings it up there, and you'll see there, Navi, radio, media, telephone, vehicle options. It's on telephone at the moment, that's highlighted. Connect device call list, but there's nowhere to where you'd think, oh, that's what you click to delete. If you go to options, click on options, nothing there. So against logic, you'd go to connect device. Click on connect device. That shows you the phone that's connected. We then go to this phone, this is the one I want to delete, and we just knock it across to settings to the cog there, select the cog, deauthorize, deauthorize. Do you want to deauthorize this device? Barry's iPhone 13 Pro. So no and yes, click yes. That's it gone. That's how you do it.